Today we are doing Peri Peri Chicken. I am T from T-Dubb BBQ. Welcome back to my return viewers. If this is your first time, thank you for checking out the channel. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share and comment. But we're going to get into this cook. I love Nando's Peri Peri Chicken and I wanted to create some of my own. So I found a recipe online and today I'm doing that recipe. I did a peri peri sauce before. It was on a turkey breast. That is in my YouTube shorts and also on my Instagram channel. But today is the first time that I'm actually doing a peri peri chicken. So I found a great recipe. It has a nice basting sauce. So it looks like it's going to be pretty good. So I'll see you on the next side of this cook.
Okay, so here we have the vegetables already cut up. The peppers, the cilantro, the shallots, the garlic, they're all in this bowl. This recipe also calls for the zest and juice of a lime and lemon, so I'll do that in a bit. And here are your seasonings, the brown sugar. I have light brown sugar, but you can use dark brown sugar. And all of your other ingredients, the pepper, the paprika, is in here. So I've already put the oil in here. The oil and the apple cider vinegar is in here. You can use red wine vinegar. It's just all about your preference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zest this lime and this lemon and then add the ingredients into this blender and get it nice and blended up. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a taste test to really see what we're working with. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That is really good. Gonna blend this up a little bit more and man, see you guys in a little bit. So here we have our half chicken. It's been lightly seasoned with Morton's Nature's Seasoning. This is a pretty good seasoning if you don't want to use any type of rub or anything. It's really good. It has a nice salt content, nice pepper content, but we just lightly season this because again, we're going to marinate it in this peri peri sauce and we want to make sure that it's not too salty. So what we're gonna do next is just get this in a bag, pour that marinade over there, massage it in, and then it's going in the refrigerator. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Here is the peri peri sauce, the marinade. Get it in here. I've already set aside a half a cup, and this is what I'm gonna make the basting. That's gonna require some honey being added and something else right now, I can't remember, but like I said, the ingredients will be in the description. So, got all of that out there. I'm just gonna close this bag up. I also did poke some holes in the chicken so that the marinade can go all the way through. And I'm just gonna massage it in here. Make sure this is nice and coated. Take some of the air out. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. And the next time you guys see me, it'll be the next day. See you guys soon. All right, so we got a couple of wood chips on there, some pecan and some hickory wood chips. And we're gonna just go ahead and put this chicken on here. I actually ended up doing a 2-day marinade. So I'm really excited about how this is gonna turn out. Oh yeah, look at that. Pour a little bit over the top. So I'm cooking this nice and slow over the coals with no heat deflector so I can get those juices really hitting the coals and bouncing back up to the chicken. So I'm really excited about how this is going to turn out. See you guys in a few. All right, I'll check this out and see where we are and how we're looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it anyway. Let's start getting some action on this other side. Okay, went ahead and flipped the bird over and I also turned it. So now I'm about to add the heat deflector. Okay, as you can see, it started raining, but I'm gonna go ahead and start basting that basting sauce. Here it is. And that's the leftover marinade that I set aside from the other night with some honey added and some more apple cider vinegar. So let that do what it's doing. I'll be back. Okay, so we are back, and what I did was I put some foil over because the top was getting brown too quick. But as you can see, she looks like she's ready to come off, so we're gonna get her off and I'll see you guys inside. All right, so we are back in the kitchen and I let this have about a 10-15 minute rest. I covered it and there she is. Get this up close so you can see. Got a little charring on the end there. I should have wrapped some foil around the end, but it's all good. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.